How to find coordinates on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to find coordinates on Google Maps. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Google Maps on a device. Press and hold on any location on the map. At the top, you can easily find the coordinates. Simply you can swipe the drop pin and then on this menu you can easily see the coordinates. Simply you can tap on it and then copy to your clipboard. Once it is copied, exit Google Maps. Once you have done that, you need to open Google Maps again. Tap search bar at top of your screen. And you need to paste the copied coordinate. Once done, you need to make a search for that. Now this will take you back to the exact location where you have previously pressed and hold. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.